As it is the court, my lord, we are indebted to the opportunity. We are indebted to the opportunity that the court gave us, my lord. It was invaluable. We proceeded to take instructions from our client. However, we need to go and do a thorough research just to find out if there is to bring them a precise answer on the course of next week, my lord. However, that does not preclude that the trial should proceed, my lord.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Emuva kokuthi bese nikhulumisana nabameli benu u-advocate umnisi usayitshela-ke inkantolo ukuthi-ke kusafanele-ke bayobheka-ke loko enikhulumisene nabo ngako kodwa-ke loko akuvimbi ukuthi singaqhubeki namuhla. Usengaphansi kwesifungo.
Yeah, sawubona baba. Yeah. Continuing on the theme that we were busy yesterday regarding Mr. Mjiako, we wish to refer to the please call me messages between your number ending 6890 and Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605.
Sisakhuluma ngaye-ke umnumzana uMjiyako manje-ke sizobuka-ke noma sibheke-ke abo please call me abathunyelwa-ke bebuya kwinamba yakho egcina ngo-6890 beya kuyona inamba kamnumzana uMjiyako egcina ngo-7605.
We have already referred to this please call me as well as the calls, but we will go through them just to contextualize the relationship between Mr. Mjiako and yourself.
Bese sikhulumile-ke ngabo please call me laba kanye futhi-ke nama-calls-ke kodwa-ke manje ukuthi nje sikhombiseke noma sivezeke ubudlelwane phakathi kwakho kanye naye umnumzana uMjiyako.
Cha Nkosi enkantolo anginabo ubudlelwane manje anginabo ubudlelwane naye.
No, my lord, I have no relationship. Even currently, I have no relationship with him.
Thank you. And yesterday we referred to Exhibit RR, and we have already referred to the proceedings of the 20th of August 2020 at Tlhabane Court. And we have mentioned that on the 20th of August 2020 that Mr. Mjiako is on record for the third time.
Bese sishilo-ke ukuthi ngazo i-20 ku-August 2020 umnumzana uMjiyako kwakuyena-ke ummeli kwakusekuyihlandla lesithathu.
Now we are going to refer to the please call me messages or PCMs from your number ending 6890 to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605, starting from the 31st of August 2020. In other words, 11 days after your appearance on the 20th of August 2020 in Tlhabane.
Kumalanga-ke ayishumi nanye emuva kokuthi-ke navela enkantolo eTlhabane ngazo i-20 zika-August 2020. Soqala-ke kuwona lana please call me wange-31 zika-August 2020.
And to this end, we are going to refer to Exhibit DD5 in bracket E Roman figure 1. We'll start at page 38. The case ID is 1031225. This is page 38 of 38. Your number ending 6890 on the 31st of August 2020 at 17:43:28 seconds sent a PCU, or please call me, PCM, to Mr. Mjiako's number 0790 397605. Said it was at 17:43:28 on the 31st of August 2020.
Ngey 31 ku August 2020 isikhathi u1743 ama second awu 28 number yakho egcina ngo 6890 yathumela please call me ubhaleke ngo PCM kwinumber kaMnumzana uMjiyako eku 079 039 7605.
Then precisely 4 minutes later, your number ending 6890 on 31 August 2020 at 17:47:28 seconds sent a PCM, or please call me, to Mr. Mjiako's number 079
Base kuthi futhi ngazo 31 ku August 2020 emuva nje kwemizuzu emine inumber yakho egcina ngo 6890 iyathumela please call me kwinumber yakhe uMnumzana uMjiyako eku 079 039 7605.
Then 31 seconds later, your number ending 6890 on 31 August 2020 at 17:47:59 sent a PCM, or please call me, message to Mr. Mjiako's number 079 039 7605.
Ngazo 31 futhi August 2020 emuva nje kwama second awu 31 17:47 nama second awu 59 inumber yakho egcina ngo 6890 yathumela please call me kwinumber kaMnumzana uMjiyako 079 039 7605.
Do you wish to proffer a comment regarding these 3 PCM messages on the 31st of August 2020?
Ngabe khona ofisa ukusho mayelana nalama please call me amathathu ngazo 31 ku August 2020?
Mina Nkosi enkantolo ngangena phone.
I had no phone, my lord.
Ifone yathathwa kimi ngoJune 16 mangiboshwa.
My phone was taken from me on the 16th of June upon my arrest.
Lapha phambi kwecourt ngeke ngakhuluma ukuthi lapha makufonela inumber kaMama kufanele inumber la beyohile ngene kaMabhena njengamanje ufunda lapho ufunda khona ukuthi mina ngakho call back inumber kaMjiyako but nathi neka kaMabhena uyifundi yona phambi kwecourt icourt na ingene kwe record uyifundi le number ngithembe necourt yaMabhena.
Earlier on, I mentioned this, that when Rebuhile was called, my mother was called, then Mabena's number appeared. Even now, you are reading wherever you are reading, and then I see Mabena's number appearing there, but you are not informing the court about that number.
Lapha ecourt ngeke ngayibuthi lapha ngapha kuvela inumber kaMama kuvela inumber kaMabhena kuvela inumber leBuhile kuvela inumber kaMabhena manje nangi nalapha ngivela inumber kaMjiyako athena kaMjiyako mina ngiyazi kuvela inumber kaMabhena zonke zalandelana kwenzeka kanjani lo.
I made mention of this previously, that my mother's number appears, Mabena's number appears, Rebuhile's number appears, then Mabena's number appears. Even here, you are telling me about this number you allege belongs to Mjiyako, which I don't know, and then Mabena's number appears as well. How does it happen?
So we've explained to you before that in re-examination, your counsel will be at liberty to take up any issues that you'd like him to take up with arising from cross-examination.
Bese kutshelileke lokho ngaphambilini ukuthi ke noba yini eqhamukayo noma evelayo ke noma ke onenkinga nayo ke ummeli wakho uzothola ithuba futhi lokuthi ke aphinde asukume abuze imibuzo manje ke nanoma yini ke evelayo noma onenkinga nayo ke ummeli wakho ke uzolithola ithuba lokuthi ke akubuze lokho noma akusho phambi kwenkantolo.
Nami nginalo ilungelo ukuthi icourt ngitshele mangingabone kahle la.
I also have a right to inform the court when I don't see things properly here.
And we have presented records from the LPC indicating that this number ending 7605 belongs to Mr. Mjiako.
Akhona ke amaphepha andlulisiwe ke phambi kwayo enkantolo abuya kuyona ke LPC ke ila abameli ke baphansi kwayo noma ke umbutho wona ke abameli abangaphansi kwawo la eshoyo noma evezayo khona ukuthi ngempela le number lena kuyinamba yakhe uMjiyako.
Mina ngisho ngithi phamba ukuthi number kusiya kaMjiyako ngithe mina angiyazi mina.
I did not say that this number does not belong to Mjiyako. I said that this number is unknown to me.
Okay. All right, continue with the please call me messages. The next messages that PCM messages that we wish to refer to are found on page 189 of 200, case ID 1031227, still part of exhibit DD 5 in bracket E Roman figure 1. Your number ending 6890 on the 9th of September 2020 at 10:44 and 7 seconds sent a PCM message, or please call me message, to Mr. Mjiako's number 079 0397 605.
Sisaqhubeka ke ngabo please call me laba inamba yakho egcina ngo6890 nge9 zika September 2020 isikhathi u10:44 ama-second awu7 yathumela uPCM please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako eku-079 039 7605.
Your number ending 6890 on 9 September 2020 at 11:27 and 44 seconds sent a PCM, or please call me message, to Mr. Mjiako's number 079 039 7605.
Number yakho egcina ngo6890 nge9 zika September 2020 isikhathi u11:27 ama-second awu-44 yathumela please call me PCM kwinamba kaMjiyako eku-079 039 7605.
Your number ending 6890, still on the 9th of September 2020, just under a minute from the previous PCM, sent another PCM message at 11:28 and 28 seconds to Mr. Mjiako's number 079 0397 605.
Number yakho egcina ngo6890 ngazo 89 kuSeptember 2020 emuva nje komzuzu ke waloya please call me ongaphambilini ngo11:28 nama-seconds awu-28 yathumela uPCM please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako eku-079 0397605.
Your number ending 6890 on the 10th of September 2020 at 18:08:26 sent a PCM or please call me message to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605 at 18:08:26.
Inamba yakho egcina ngo 6890 nge-10 kuSeptember 2020 18:08:26 isikhathi yathumela uPCM please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako egcina ngo 7605.
Then 23 seconds later, your number ending 6890 on the 10th of September 2020 at 18:08:49 sent a PCM or please call me message to Mr. Mjiako's number ending 7605.
Asikuthi emuva kwamasekonda awu-23 inamba yakho egcina ngaye u-6890 nge-10 kaSeptember 2020 isikhathi u-18:08 amasekonda awu-49 yathumela u-PCM please call me kwinamba kaMjiyako egcina ngo-7605.
Do you wish to profile a comment regarding the PCM messages of the 9th up to the 10th of September 2020?
Ngalaba asebefundiwe please call me bange-9 September 2020 zofica-ke nge-10 kaSeptember 2020 kukhona ofisa ukusho.
Kuse ngibantwana ngangingenafoni.
My lord, I had no phone.
Okugcina nje ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi le number le uyitholile kuma contact ami savewe khona.
What I would like to know is, did you find this number saved amongst my contacts?
These are Section 205 records, sir. If there are any other issues, as you mentioned, you can raise that with your legal representative.
Imininingwane-ke lena ebizwa ngokuthi-ke ingaphansi kwe-Section 205 noma-ke itholwe uma ngaba kufakwe isicelo sakhe-ke u-205. Uma kukhona-ke ofisa wena ukuthi-ke ukuvezeke nanjengoba sesikutshelile-ke ungakukhuluma lokho nommeli wakho.
Well, can we just get an indication in light of the time that we did not sit this morning? Are we going to sit through the normal short adjournment?
No, adjourning. What time is it?
It's 11:21.
Yeah, well, adjourn.